I'm going to show you how to enroll the wireless touch panel. The first thing is we're going to pull the battery tab from the back of the wireless touch panel. And then you can see that we will locate the enrollment button, which is on the side of the helipad right here. You push that and it will light up red lights. Once you've pulled the battery tab, then you lightly tap the menu button and then the check. It's working. We're enrolled. Once you've enrolled the wireless touch panel, you can hold for 2 seconds to the stay, which will alarm your house to stay, and then you can put your code in to disarm. This button is your away button. You hold it down. Okay, now exit delay. Once you also put your 4-digit code in to exit. You hold both of these buttons down at the same time, it's your panic alarm.